family of 8 members attempted to commit suicide in front of the Karnataka Assembly, the Vidhanasoudha, due to a bank auctioning their house to recover loan dues. Shaista Banu, aged 48, and Mohammad Muned-Ullah, along with their family members, poured kerosene on themselves with the intention of committing suicide outside the Vidhanasoudha. However, the police intervened and took them into custody. In 2016, the family borrowed 50 lakh rupees from BangaloreCityCooperativeBank and has repaid an amount totaling rupees 95 lakhs. Currently, the bank officials are auctioning their house valued at 3 crore rupees for only 1.41 crore rupees. Hence, they resorted to a suicide attempt and now face charges for attempted suicide under IPC section 309 and for creating a public nuisance related to suicide under IPC section 290 in front of Vidhanasoudha.
ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ
Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.